Welcome to Brain Discover, where we explore the latest advancements in science and technology. In this video, we will be discussing modern technology prosthetic limbs and how they have revolutionized the lives of people. Modern technology prosthetic limbs are a significant improvement over the earlier designs, which were heavy, bulky, and uncomfortable to wear. Prosthetic limbs made using modern materials such as carbon fiber and titanium are much lighter, more durable, and can be customized to fit the individual's needs. One of the significant advancements in modern prosthetic limbs is the use of advanced sensors and robotics to control the limb's movement. This technology, known as myoelectric prostheses, uses sensors to detect the electrical activity in the muscles of the residual limb, which is then used to control the prosthetic limb's movement. This allows for more precise and flexible movement and enables people to perform a wider range of activities than earlier prosthetic limbs. What are people able to do because of prosthetic limbs? Prosthetic limbs allow people to do things that were previously impossible with earlier designs. For example, with the use of advanced prosthetic legs, people can run, climb stairs, and even participate in high-impact sports such as basketball and soccer. Similarly, people with prosthetic arms can perform complex tasks such as playing musical instruments, using tools, and even painting. The use of prosthetic limbs also enables people to return to their daily activities, such as cooking, cleaning, and driving. This not only provides them with a sense of independence, but also helps them to regain their self-esteem and confidence. How much ease and how much success prosthetic limbs have brought in people's lives? Prosthetic limbs have brought a significant amount of ease and success to people's lives. They have enabled people to perform daily activities with ease and return to their jobs or hobbies. For example, a person who has lost a leg can walk again, and an athlete who has lost an arm can continue to compete in their sport. Prosthetic limbs have also helped to reduce pain and discomfort associated with the loss of a limb. With the use of advanced prosthetic limbs, people can reduce the strain on their remaining limbs and joints, which helps to prevent further injury and pain. What benefits do people get for prosthetic limbs, and in what areas are they able to work? Prosthetic limbs provide numerous benefits to people, including improved mobility, reduced pain, and enhanced quality of life. With the use of prosthetic limbs, people can maintain an active and healthy lifestyle, which is crucial for physical and mental well-being. Prosthetic limbs also allow people to return to work in various fields such as healthcare, engineering, and sports. For example, a person with a prosthetic leg can work as a nurse, and a person with a prosthetic arm can work as an engineer. In conclusion, modern technology prosthetic limbs have transformed the lives of people with missing or damaged limbs. They have provided a new sense of independence and confidence and have enabled people to perform a wider range of activities. With the continued advancements in technology, we can expect to see even more innovative prosthetic limb designs that will further improve the lives of people around the world. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of how these advancements have improved the lives of people with missing or damaged limbs. The ease and success of prosthetic limbs have brought a new sense of independence and confidence to people's lives. With the use of prosthetic limbs, people can now perform daily activities and pursue their passions, which was previously impossible. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative prosthetic limb designs that will further improve the lives of people around the world. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on the latest advancements in science and technology. If you enjoyed, then like the video and subscribe for next videos. Thanks for watching.